Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.11.2 on a Windows operating system. And then I am also going to show you how to run a simple hello world program on our Python. So do subscribe our channel and please watch the video till the end to know about Python. So to download Python, you need to go to favorite browser and the address bar just simply search with Python download and hit enter. And you will get this www.python.org as our first search result. So here you need to simply click on download Python, and this is going to redirect to the official site of Python. And here you can see we have download Python 3.11.2 rightly shown over here. Now since this is Windows operating system, it has rightly recognized Windows. If you are using Mac, then it will show Mac OS over here. So for Windows, you need to just simply click on this download button and it's going to start downloading our Python. So I'll be putting this link also in the description so you can directly open that link. So just simply click on this Python installer, and here you can see that our Python installation wizard is rightly open. So let's minimize our browser. So here you need to click on add python.exe to path. This is a very important step, right? And then you need to click on this custom installation. So these are all files it's going to be installed, totally fine, keep this default, click on next. And here I'll be selecting this install Python 3.11 for all users, right? And then just simply click on install, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and there you go. You can see our installation has rightly begun. So this installing Python will take a couple of minutes. So as you can see, our Python setup was successful. So you can just simply close this. So now that you know our Python is rightly installed, you can just simply open command prompt. So for that, just simply type cmd and open the command prompt. And here if you just simply type python space dash dash version and just simply hit enter, you can see latest version of Python is rightly installed. So if you just simply type python and just simply hit enter, you can see that our triple arrow trademark for Python is rightly shown over here. So if you want to print anything, print hello world, let's say, and hit enter, you can see that output rightly shown. So similarly, if you open idle, just simply type idle, it will going to show idle. So if you open that, here also you can see that triple arrow trademark Python shell. So here if you just simply want to print anything, print hello world, that's going to show the output over here. Let's say you want to add a couple of number, 5 plus 3, that 8 is going to be shown over here. 2 minus 1, that 1 is rightly shown. Let's say you want to create a new file and write a Python program over here. So let's say you are storing a couple of values like a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and you want to print a into b. And if you just simply go to run and click on run module, it will ask you to save. So just simply save this. So give some file name, hello, save it, yes, and you can see the output rightly shown over here. So a into b, that is 2 into 3, 6 is rightly shown over here. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Python on Windows operating system. I have rightly shown you how to install that on Windows 11 operating system. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.